Now you see this up here, this bar. I can't reach it because I'm 5'7", which I think is an average height, but my girlfriend tells me I'm short. But anyway, so what I have here to alleviate this problem is my patent pending height enhancing apparatus. Now if you'll notice, you push down right there. Look at how tall I am. I'm like a giant. I can touch everything. I can touch the sky. That's how powerful I've become with the height enhancing apparatus. 3000. Durable. You could throw it. And it still works. I highly recommend one of these.